So let me tell you about how I started with AI. And this was in 2023. I was visiting a relative, my twin brother, in the hospital, and I noticed that there was robots in the hospital. And I then realized it took me down this path. I wasn't with it to begin with, but then I thought, you know what, let me give it a go. So I built my first AI agent, CV screening bot, that could entirely check experience, compliance, and also cultural fit for UK care roles. It worked, and it saved me 10 hours a week so I could build another AI agent. Because I'm not talking about bots here, I'm talking about AI agents, and that's what I've been focusing on this last year, is building AI agents. So it works and it saved me time, so I thought, let me carry on. So within 3 months, I built 16 AI agents this year, covering everything from shift scheduling to client onboarding, looking for contracts, searching for contracts, and also helping me with my operations, starting to run a lean team. A couple of years ago, I had about 30 people on the payroll. 30 people. I'm now working with two VAs, should I say. And I've got a tech person, as well as I've created 16 AI agents in my business. I have got more time freedom, and I want my clients to have the same. And this is the reason why I've created the AI agents to work within your healthcare business so that you can get your time freedom back. It's fast. There's no errors. Once you've established and put the information in and know what it is that you want, then it will free up your time. Less admin to deal with, no holiday pay, no staff going off sick. I'm not saying this to be horrible or anything, but we got to look at what's happening now. Don't let the whole ship go down just because you're trying to save face to keep everyone on board. That is the wrong thing to do, which is what I did many years ago. You've got to think lean. So let's talk about what the AI agents that I created, which can help you in your business. I've got CV screening agents. I've got shift scheduling agents. I've got compliance tracker agent. I've got client onboarding agent. I've got invoice generator agent, payment reminder agent, social media content agent. I've got inquiry follow-up agent. I've got more agents, 8 to 16 I've created, inbox agent. The list is endless, and I'm really excited to share this with you.